suppliers. There are three types of suppliers that you can create in Petpooja inventory. The first type is of central kitchen. In chain outlets or brands which have multiple outlets, central kitchen acts as a go-down where raw materials are procured and processed. It is the heart of supply chain. From central kitchen, goods are transferred to outlets, or sometimes some of the outlets can also act as a temporary stock point for a central kitchen. The second type of supplier is third-party supplier. These suppliers supply products to individual outlets directly. They may be monitored by a central office, but the delivery takes place and the dealing takes place with individual outlets. For example, grocery suppliers, dairy product suppliers, hygiene equipment suppliers, etc. The third type of supplier is an outlet or restaurant supplier. In cases where restaurants or outlets sell the raw materials to different outlets, or in chain restaurants where one outlet can transfer or sell raw material to another outlet, we use this kind of supply. A point to be noted here will be that you cannot create central kitchen and restaurant suppliers by yourself. The user having admin rights can create these suppliers, and it is necessary to onboard them onto Petpooja software. Any outlet can create third-party suppliers. Now let us understand the importance of creating suppliers. As purchase and sales take place very rapidly in F&B operations, if you have not created a supplier, then vendor accounting for the same and invoice management for the same won't be possible. That is why creation of supplier as per the specific types is very necessary. Thank you.